Okay, so this is the Multi V4S with a Hex Ezcan, which is stored in the front left pocket here, behind the clutch fascia. And these are the regular dipped driving lights. Put them on main beam. The bike's on the centre stand at the moment, so it's angled down a little, but still give an idea. We can then turn on the D3s, a pair of D3s. Their lenses are set up as driving lenses with a hard cut-off. And then we also have the Baja spot beams there, which are great for seeing way down into the distance. You can see the effect of just those by themselves. And then when we come off the main beam, it dips the brightness, so straight up dazzling. Certainly no worse than the stock lights. And you can adjust the brightness of that anyway, and it will cut out the light on the appropriate side if you're signalling. And those are just the settings we went for. You can go with whichever setting on the Ezcan. So on this, the way they've got it set up, you can use the cruise control. If the cruise control is off. So if cruise control is engaged, it won't work, but if your cruise control is turned off, you can then press 3 presses and that will turn off or on one of your sets of auxiliary lights. So that's all I'm doing, it's just 3 presses on here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, of course you can just turn the whole lot on and off with the main beam, which is how it's been set up on this bike, and that's a much more convenient way of using it than having 3 different buttons to press.